Hello, my name's John Stewart. I'm the product manager at Shnier, responsible for hardwood flooring and luxury vinyl flooring. Welcome again to Shnier TV. In this episode, we'll cover the topic of luxury vinyl flooring, and specifically we'll talk about the products in the Richmond Reflections program that was introduced in the summer of 2014. The concept for the Richmond Reflections program was to create a one-stop shop for our dealers' requirements in LVT. The LVT industry today encompasses a vast array of products, floating floors, glue-down floors, etc. Before we speak about the specific products in the Richmond Reflections program, we should note that there's been a significant increase in the sales volume of luxury vinyl tile in Canada since 2010. There are several reasons for that increase in sales. The first reason is the improvement in the quality of the decors. And this is an example. This is a product line called Stone Trends, which is a groutable tile that we have recently introduced. And you can see by the realism of the film that this does a very good job of replicating the look of a natural stone product. Another example of the improvement in vinyl technology is a product line called Soft Lock Plus. This is a wood visual, again with a very high quality digital image of the decor, and then the embossing plate is designed so that the texture of the surface follows exactly with the grain pattern on the film. This is an embossed and registered texture. And vinyl, because of its soft, resilient surface, lends itself very well to this type of realistic embossing. Along with the realistic decors, the format of LVT in these plank and tile formats produces a very realistic floor because the products are installed in the same way that wood and tile are installed. So these individual tile and plank formats create a very realistic look in the installed floor. Now, the second reason for the increase in luxury vinyl sales is the ease of installation. Installation ease has improved by the introduction of floating products and also with the introduction of thicker and more rigid cores. I'll give you a very good example. This is a standard 2mm luxury vinyl tile, and this is what vinyl tile looked like up until recently. And the limitations of these products were that the subfloor preparation had to be very good because any irregularities in the subfloor would telegraph to the surface. With new products, like, as an example, this 5mm loose lay product, it's much thicker and heavier, so it requires significantly less subfloor preparation. And of course, with floating products like this hybrid product known as Synergy, this is a rigid platform that installs in the same way that laminate flooring is installed. The third reason for the increase in sales of LVT is consumers' awareness of the features and benefits of the product. And really, that's the reason for this presentation today. We want to show how the improved features of LVT offer a solution for almost any flooring need. And maybe a better way to explain that is if you look at other categories like solid wood as an example, solid wood can only be installed on or above grade and it has to be nailed or stapled down. Laminate flooring as an example can be floated only. With luxury vinyl, we have various formats and we have various installation methods. So with the products that we've introduced in this display, we feel a dealer can resolve any installation problem that might be encountered. So let's now go back to the Richmond Reflections program. The tagline of the program is "Like the real thing, only better." And by like the real thing, of course, we mean the quality of the visuals that do a very good job of replicating stone and wood decors. But by better, we mean quieter, warmer, softer, water resistant, durable, resilient, stain resistant, easy to install, easy to clean, and easy to repair. So there's a lot of benefits to LVT, and these features and benefits should be brought up when talking about the flexibility of the LVT category. It should also be noted that Richmond Reflections products are certified for Floor Score. Products that bear the Floor Score label meet the indoor air quality emissions criteria for LEED and are recognized by a wide range of healthy building programs. So consumers who are concerned about indoor air quality and off-gassing can rest assured that these products meet the very highest criteria in that area. Okay, Before the Reflections program was put together, we did a complete analysis of the Canadian market and broke the LVT business down into 5 segments as follows. The first segment, of course, is dry back or glue down LVT. This is traditional LVT products, and we have a range of products that fall into that segment. We then have groutable tiles, which are also glued down, but groutable tiles, as the term would imply, can be installed with a grout line in the same way that ceramic tile and stone is installed. The third segment is loose lay tiles. Now, we prefer not to use the term loose lay, we prefer to use the term friction fit, but loose lay products can be installed either in a full glue down application, or they can be installed by gluing the perimeter of the installation and infilling interior portion of the installation. Now, those are all what we consider to be glue down products. The next 2 segments are floating floors. The first is Click LVT. And Click LVT is a solid LVT product that is designed to float in the same way as laminate flooring. And you can see these products are similar. This is a 3mm product that's designed to glue down. This is a 3.2mm product that's designed to float. The difference is this product is enhanced with fiberglass to stiffen the product and strengthen the product and make the product somewhat more stable. And this has been a big breakthrough in the luxury vinyl segment. Lastly, we have a segment called hybrids. And a hybrid can be characterized as a product that has a vinyl tile fused to a rigid platform. In this case, it's a product line called Press Lock. It's a residential tile fused to a 10mm ABS plastic core. As we put the Richmond Reflections program together, we broke down the LVT industry into 5 product segments. And those 5 product segments are indicated here in these 5 icons. Each icon represents the 5 segments that we include in this display. The segments are dry back or glue down tiles, groutable tiles, loose lay products, or friction fit products as we prefer to say, Click LVT, and hybrid products. Each product label also indicates which one of the segments the product falls into, and this will help retail salespeople direct consumers to the type of product and the type of installation that the consumer is looking for. That's a quick overview of the Richmond Reflections program. For complete product details, please refer to richmondreflections.ca. I'm John Stewart. Thanks for watching this episode of Shnier TV.